Hey everyone, I decided to test the speed of Python and Rust for a small program that counts to 200 million. I want to see which programming language is faster. Of course I know which programming language is faster, but I'm going to display the duration for both programs. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so this is as far as Rust. Alright, so after writing both codes, let's try. Let me compile first the Rust program. Wow, it took 83 of a second, 0.83. It's not even 1 second that the program written in Rust calculated or counted to 200 million. Not even 1 second. It's a fraction of a second, 0.8. Now let's go ahead and try Python. Let's do Python main.py. Wow, it took 10 seconds. So 10 seconds compared to not even a second, 0.8. Of course, Rust outperformed Python, and Rust is blazing fast. It's comparable to something like C or C++. It's not fair to compare Rust to Python in terms of speed. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you liked the video, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one.